The Brights Grove Water Treatment Plant, located on the shores of Lake Huron in Lambton County, approximately 20 kilometers from the town of Petrolia, supplies drinking water to over 11,200 residents in the town and surrounding rural communities that include the township of Enniskillen, village of Oil Springs, and township of Don Euphemia. Originally constructed 125 years ago, the plant has undergone a number of upgrades, including conversion from a conventional treatment facility to a microfiltration membrane plant in 2005. For this project, the town engaged CIMA Plus to provide engineering services to replace the existing clearwell and high-lift pumping station. Key design features: construction of a 1,400 cubic meter clearwell on the existing site south of the treatment plant and a building addition above the clearwell that houses a new high-lift pump room, electrical room, offices for operations staff, meeting room, laboratory, and washroom. The building addition for the high-lift pumping station was designed to blend into the residential neighborhood. The contract for construction of the clearwell and high-lift pumping station was awarded to Stonetown Construction Limited in November 2018. Construction of the new clearwell and HLPS was completed offline so that water supply from the plant would not be interrupted for extended periods during the entire construction period. The new clearwell and high-lift pumping station was commissioned successfully and placed into service in April 2020. The preliminary cost for the new clearwell and high-lift pumping station was estimated at $8.1 million. The town of Petrolia, in partnership with the township of Enniskillen, village of Oil Springs, and township of Don Euphemia, applied for joint municipal funding assistance for this project under the Ontario Community Infrastructure Fund. The province of Ontario confirmed that the joint application for 4 municipalities was eligible for $7.4 million in provincial funding assistance, approximately 90% of the total estimated project cost.